Amid the deep blue sea, where crashing waves and roaring winds challenge every soul, brave warriors quietly endure. They are the fishermen, venturing into the unknown, battling the elements to bring back a precious gift from the ocean. Ocean tuna, symbols of strength, speed, and a crown jewel of global seafood. Ocean tuna, especially the famed yellowfin and bluefin varieties, are the true athletes of the sea. With speeds reaching up to 70 kilometers per hour, they roam thousands of kilometers across the oceans to feed and spawn. Each year, millions of tons of tuna are harvested from oceans around the world, from the warm Pacific to the icy depths of the North Atlantic, fueling the global demand for sushi, sashimi, canned goods, and countless gourmet dishes. Before every voyage, fishermen meticulously prepare, checking nets, servicing their boats, stocking fuel, fresh water, and food, ready for journeys that may last weeks, even months. With advanced equipment like sonar, radar, and aerial drones, they scan the endless blue, searching for signs of tuna schools, where patience, instinct, and experience decide success or failure. In the heart of a storm, as waves crash like beasts and the wind howls with fury, fishermen cling to the deck, soaked and trembling, locked in a battle of strength and will. Each tuna hauled aboard is hard-earned, a trophy taken from the wild, untamed sea. Two key methods are used. Handline fishing, a traditional technique that minimizes bycatch and helps protect marine ecosystems. Purse seine nets, modern operations that encircle entire schools of tuna, requiring precise monitoring to avoid harming other species. In Norway, harvesting tuna is strictly regulated under international agreements. Only mature fish may be caught, and each tuna is tagged and tracked from catch to consumption to ensure full traceability and sustainability. Immediately after capture, preservation begins. Tuna are either chilled in ice water below 4 degrees Celsius or deep frozen on board at -60 degrees Celsius. Some vessels even have onboard processing lines to remove internal organs and maintain the fish's pristine condition before returning to port. Once ashore, the tuna arrive at high-tech processing facilities. Here, every fish is inspected, evaluated for freshness, meat color, and fat content, critical elements, especially for sashimi-grade tuna. Next comes precise and careful processing. Washed with light salt water, heads, guts, and bones removed. Cuts sorted into prized parts. With razor-sharp knives and practiced hands, sashimi slices are carved thin as silk, each one a tiny masterpiece of precision and technique. Once prepared, the tuna are vacuum sealed and flash frozen using IQF, individual quick freezing technology to preserve freshness and structure. Placed on gel trays or ice packs for transport. Scanned by image sensors and tested with metal detectors to ensure zero defects or contamination. For canned tuna, the fish is pre-steamed to retain its flavor, then cooled, sliced, and packed into tins with olive oil, brine, or tomato sauce. Each can is sealed, sterilized at high temperatures for food safety, labeled, and moved to cold storage, ready for global distribution. From sea to table. This is a journey forged by endurance, innovation, and responsibility. Whether it's premium sashimi in an upscale Japanese restaurant, or a simple can of tuna in a home kitchen, each bite carries the flavor of the sea, and the untold story of those who brought it to us. Ocean tuna is more than a dish. It's a story of courage, craftsmanship, and connection between humans and nature. And with every slice, the next chapter is ready to be told. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable adventure.